Here we go. Court is now in session in cause number 331052 and cause number 332564. Both cases are styled the state of Texas versus Kelly Grogan or Kelly Dante Grogan. Mr. Grogan, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Grogan, how are you doing?
Fine, yes, sir.
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking, Mr. Grogan. You're represented here by your attorney Langston Adams. Attorney Adams, how are you doing?
Hey, Judge, how you doing?
I'm doing fine. Mr. Adams, what is your announcement in Mr. Grogan's cases?
Hey, Judge, we can put those on the trial docket.
Trial, okay.
I anticipate that they might be disposed of before then. Just
Let me do this here. Now you said that you want on a trial docket, but you anticipated it might be disposed of before then.
because
What about putting it on the pretrial conference docket?
cool, no problem.
Okay.
But I just want one request from you.
Hold
No, it's
on,
no
hold
problem.
on. Pretrial.
That's no problem.
Okay.
Just one request.
His, Mr. Grogan's cases are going to be placed on the pretrial conference docket.
That'd be fantastic.
Now, what do you?
And I had
Hey, well, first, Mr. How much time do y'all need?
whatever you want to do.
Standard or rate?
Standard.
What about how much time y'all need, Ray?
Right, standard? Yeah, sure.
Okay, hold on a minute.
September 25th.
This is 26.
Yeah, September 25th.
Is that fine with y'all?
26.
Put it another
That's a
week.
Monday. No. I work that. As long as you don't do it
It's a
on
what?
Thursday or Friday. It's not gonna be on the Thursday.
It's a Monday.
It's Monday.
Okay.
Monday's cool.
So what date is that?
We'll
Okay.
make it work.
Gonna be reset to September 26, 2022. Now, I also have, some bond conditions given to him in one of his cases. He already have bond conditions in his first case, if I'm not mistaken.
You got two cases, right?
Yeah, he already have bond conditions in cause number 331052. And we're gonna give him a bond conditions in cause number 332564, which is this case. Now, Mr. Grogan, your attorney is handing you a document that is titled Standard Bond Conditions in County Court at Law Number 2. I will go over these conditions with you. It reads, following the arrest and or accusation in County Court at Law Number 2 of Jefferson County, Texas, all bail bonds executed for release of any defendant named herein or ordered subject to the following additional conditions. Number 1, the defendant shall commit no offense against the laws of this state, any other state, or of the United States. Do you understand that condition?
Yes, sir.
The defendant shall submit to testing for drugs and alcohol at any time as directed by the court. The court may revoke the bond and order the arrest of any defendant who, A, refuses to submit to a test for drugs and alcohol when directed to do so by the court, or B, submit to a test for drugs and alcohol and the test indicates the presence of drugs and alcohol in the defendant's body. Do you understand that condition?
Yes.
And condition number 3, defendant shall not communicate either directly or indirectly with the alleged victim of the pending offense, and the defendant shall not go near any residence, school, or other location frequented by the alleged victim. Do you understand that condition?
Yes.
Now, condition number 4 does not apply to you because that only applies in a DWI case, and your case is not a DWI case. Now, Mr. Grogan, if you violate any one of these bond conditions, your bond can be revoked, and if your bond is revoked, a warrant can be issued for your arrest, and you can be placed in the Jefferson County Jail. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so your case is being reset to September 26th of 2022 for pretrial. Your attorney is going to sign for your reset. Once you
Yes.
get your reset from your attorney, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day.
I only request, I know you just gave me bond conditions. With the first set of conditions, he has the GPS. We was asking that you modify that because he has limited to no criminal history. I mean, to my understanding, and it's pretty expensive to have that. You paying, right? Yeah. Right.
Well, I understand that, but the court at this time is not going to change that order. If bond conditions, part of your bond conditions.
I think so. Because it has bond conditions for the GPS,
Okay.
GPS, right?
Yeah, the court is not inclined to.
Who said? Who you know who was that? No, GPS. When did they put that on? Some months ago. I'm not sure the exact. I think it was
Yeah,
in April, May.
yeah. I mean, look at his bond conditions on that first case.
We were just asking that the burden of having that,
Yeah, but I think public safety outweighs that. That's the reason for, the GPS. Safety to the victim.
Okay.
What's on the next page? Yeah, it's our condition, so court is,
would the court consider modification if the victim was agrees?
well, right now, the court is not,
No, I know you can't do today.
well, I'm
You can't do
not gonna be, the court is not, gonna make
Prejudge.
any decisions or anything of that nature, so
We can-
at this time, those conditions are gonna stay in place.
Sign for receipt.
All right, yeah. All right, you can, get your reset. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day.
Mhm.